Oh, what a wonderful morning. Oh, what a wonderful day. I got this really big feeling. Everything's going my way. Here we are, my favorite place, the bathroom. And what is my video going to be today? Well, it's going to be something having to do with one of these light switches. And see this light switch here? Look at this. There's cracks right there. This is a 15-year-old dimmer switch. And I've never really seen a dimmer switch like that with the light just up there. Have you ever seen that? Most of the dimmer switches I see nowadays, the whole thing here lights up. I've never really seen one like that. But you see little hairline cracks in it? Mommy picked that up the other day. And they are, in fact, cracks. And I think they're cracked all the way through the switch. And if your fingers are wet, let's say, and you've just washed your hands, and you go to turn this, if this gets any bigger, the water could go through there or something. You could get shocked by this light switch. That's something I'm going to have to replace. Now, that's not exactly what I'm going to be doing today, but that's something I wanted to show you. And here, see this? Here, see this dimmer? It's got a little round thing up there too, but look at the dimmers that, well, this is not a dimmer. Oh, that's a lit switch, and that whole thing lights up. And man, I thought those were the dimmers, but I believe I put dimmers in before where this whole area lights up, not just the little dots. I'm going to have to take a look at that. And I've actually noticed, look at this one here. You see there? Oh no, what happened with that? There's little marks on there, and Mommy saw that one too. She wants me to replace those, and I'm like, okay, I'll do that. But I've got to go to the store and get some lit dimmer switches. I'll show you that another time. And you know, I thought these were lit dimmers, but and I just recently put these in, but I don't think these light up for some reason. This was a three-way dimmer switch. I'm kind of getting off track here. Bear with me, but those other ones were cracked, and you see this one here. Look at that. And it's not too bad there. But you see this other light switch here? Do you see what I'm seeing here? There's a, let's see if I can't get you in there at a different angle. See that right in there? There's a scratch all the way through it. It's not cracked necessarily, but I don't like that. And I'm going to go ahead and replace that and that. See, that's for my fan. And you see, that's something else I'm going to have to do one of these days. Hear how loud it is? That's a 15-year-old exhaust fan. I'm going to have to take that motor assembly down and see if I can't get a different one at the store. A whole motor assembly and replace that so I don't have to replace the entire exhaust fan. That's going to be another time. But for this particular video, I'm going to take this switch out. This is a single pole light switch, even though it's for the exhaust fan, okay? And that's what the video is going to be about. If you want to see that, stick around. Now, speaking of those other switches, I've replaced in here, I've replaced these three-way dimmer switches, and there used to be a dimmer, or there used to be just a three-way switch, just a paddle switch that was right here for these lights up here. But if we changed the lights, these used to be a different type of wall sconce, and we thought we'd change them to these LEDs. And I wanted a three-way dimmer switch, and I thought, I wonder if LEDs will dim, and lots of three-ways will dim. So that's what I ended up doing there. And then in some other places, I took regular light switch and changed it out to a dimmer switch. Whenever I did that, I would just, if the switch was still good, I'd save it. And that's what I've done. And that's why I've got some other light switches for that. I don't even have to buy any light switches. I've got some switches here, some old switches. This happens to be a single pole light switch, and it still works fine, and that's why I saved it. This is a white one, and you see I've got another one. Here's another one here. That's a regular, and I thought I had, oh, I've got an actual, see, this one here is an old one. Oh, that's a regular one too. I thought I had a three-way light switch, and it's really easy to tell the difference, and I was going to show you that, but I'm not sure if I got one. Oh, here it is. Let's just see what a three-way, see, a three-way dimmer switch. See, it's got two screws over here and it's got another one there, and usually one of those screws is a dark screw. See, I know that's a three-way switch, even though it probably doesn't say on there anywhere. See, this one here is ground screw, and it's got two screws on the side. That's a single pole light switch. This is a three-way switch. This is the one I'm going to install, the single pole light switch.